Hello and welcome to Computer Science at Jamura College. You're in year 9, you're probably thinking or currently deciding which options you should pick for your GCSE subjects. You're probably considering computer science or ICT, and the first question you might have is, what is the difference between the two subjects? If I was to give you an analogy, which hopefully will try and explain it, imagine you are learning to drive a car. Computer science would be considered understanding the mechanics, understanding how the car operates, um, if there are any issues, how you would fix, improve the car. If we think about information technology or ICT, that would be the case of learning to drive the car. So students, not all of them will understand how to fix, to repair, to understand the inner workings of systems. A lot of the time, they'd like to understand how it works and become an effective end user of software. So computer science is more about creating the software, where information technology is more about understanding how to use the software and how to best use the software. So, in terms of computer science, what does this entail? So, computer science um, involves both theory and programming. In terms of theory, this would involve hardware, software, data representation, which involves binary, hexadecimal. It understands or involves understanding how the internet works and other new and automated and emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. In terms of the programming component, you learn to program in a language called Python, which you have touched upon in year 9. Um, and you also learn a little bit more about how to design algorithms using pseudocode and flowcharts. The assessment looks like this. Paper 1 is the theory component, which is worth 50% of your final mark. Paper 2 is the programming component, which is worth also 50% of your final mark. Both papers are paper-based, and you will do both exams at the end of year 11. So why study computer science? If you want a subject that is intellectually challenging and stimulating, if you would like to gain valuable skills that are highly in demand, if you would like to solve complex problems using and writing program code, and that's something that you enjoy, then you should consider computer science. And finally, if you have any further questions, you can either see the attached facts page, or if you prefer, you can come and speak to either myself, Mr. Salah, or Mr. De La Cruz, and ask us any questions that you might have, or any misconceptions that you might require, need addressing or clarifying. Thank you for listening.